Oh, there's the radio. Well, if that won't calm down, then I'm sure whoever is gonna calm her down is gonna calm her down because I can't do it. So I'm gonna pick up the radio. Okay, since you won't calm down, I'm gonna turn it on. Beep. You should be tired right about now. Yep, I knew it. I knew you were gonna flip out that way. Yeah. You should be sleepy right about now. It's already on, so you better be careful. It's gonna get sleepy real fast, and stop touching my hair. Stop touching my hair. Stop doing that.
Why are you guys doing? You guys are playing like pussycats and dogs.
It's already on. You better be careful. I'm going to turn it back on, because you just paused it. You paused it at the best part. Do not drink coffee. No more of that. If you drink it, I'm going to smack it out of your hand. That's it. You're going to make me smack it out of your hand. What the?
Need back.
You don't need any more.
Back.
You need to calm down. That's what you got to do.
Back.
Hold on. I'm coming back.